In this video, we'll be covering how to search for candidates and assessment notifications as both an RTO and an assessor. So if you direct your attention over here to the top right of your screen, depending on whether you're logged in as an RTO or an assessor, if you're an RTO, you'll have the RTO followed by the RTO number. If you're an assessor, you'll have your name followed by the assessor number. Now, you'll see that on your home page is a list of incomplete assessment event notifications from here on in AENs. And basically, for an RTO, that means anything that's not in completed status, cancelled status. You can head over to the assessment event notification searching. On this tab, you'll have the basic criteria, the advanced criteria. You can search by AEN number, license class, aligned assessors, AEN status, or assessment types. So an important thing to note is that while we head over to the home page, completed assessment events, once an assessor has finished an assessment, will not appear in this list. You'll need to use the search function to head over to the AEN tab, select completed, perform a search, and you'll see that down here you have a list of completed assessment event notifications. Do also note that on the top of each row, you can filter by that row, so whether it be the start date, the status, or in this case, the AEN number. If you need to, you can also export this data with a CSV, an XLS, or a PDF. Alternatively, to search for candidates, head over to the Candidates tab, and you can search by the assessment notification number, the license class, the first name, middle name, and expiry, the assessment event notification that they were involved in, or a specific assessor. In this case, we'll select our test assessor and we'll perform a search. And we can see all of the candidates that were involved with that assessor. You'll see that in some cases, you'll have a candidate multiple times. That'll be because they were involved with that assessor across multiple assessment event notifications. Alternatively, if you need to search for candidates who are expiring, you'll need to put in the appropriate dates on ANN expiry date from and ANN expiry date to. These candidates are specifically candidates who have performed an assessment event and received a not yet competent result, and they'll have 60 days before they expire. This is a function that will help you track those candidates and make sure that they attend a reassessment before they expire and need to restart. Now, assessors will have one extra search function. And if we head over to the Assessor option, we can see that there is a Legacy Assessments tab. Assessors with the Legacy Assessments tab have access to all of the searches for the old AS1 documents that were in the old portal. Once you roll over to the new portal, access to the old portal will be disabled. So this will be how you'll access all of those documents. You can select all of the criteria that were available in the old portal, and this is everything that will appear on an AS1. Once you perform a search, all of that historical data will be available for you.